Good morning everyone. We're scheduled to depart in 1 hour. Let's begin. Standard departure checks, second engineer and third engineer. Please confirm the readiness of the main engine and auxiliaries.
Alright, Chef. I start with the pre-departure checks.
Oiler, check the log oil levels, cooling water, and fuel system for the generators. Make sure all valves are aligned properly.
Copy that, sir. Gen 1 and Gen 2 are within operating limits. Oil heater is online and pressure is steady. No leaks observed.
Good. Now, start standby generator and sync it with the bus bar.
All generators running, sir.
Elect, it's your time to shine. You can now synchronize the generator and share the load.
Alright, third.
All generators are operational. One generator is online and synchronized. Engine room is manned. Cooling system are in auto. Main engine jacket water and lube oil temperature are within range.
Excellent. Start turning gear and begin main engine blow through procedure.
Alright, Chip.
Bridge, engine room, permission to blow through, main engine.
Engine room, bridge, permission granted.
Oiler, engage turning gear, start blow through.
Turning gear engaged. Air bottle charged and commencing blow through.
Oiler, blow through completed, no abnormalities observed. Disengage turning gear and prepare for air start.
Bridge, engine room, main engine ready for maneuvering.
Understood. Standby for engine orders.
Set engine to bridge control. Oiler, monitor engine parameter closely. Second engineer, third engineer, keep an eye on parameters and pressures.
Main engine started successfully. The RPM is stable.
Temperature and pressure are normal. No alarms triggered.
Maintain close monitoring until we clear in the port. Good job, team.
Dead slow ahead.
Dead slow ahead, acknowledge. Air starting main engine.